So in the last video we looked at how we could create a rendered still image, and you'll notice that by default the background color for our rendered image is black. Now that may not be the background color that you want, so we can change that color, or indeed we could even replace it with an image, a graphic image or a photograph. But to change the background color, I'm going to come up to the rendering pull down menu, and I'm going to come down to the environment option. And then in the common parameters for on our environment tab here, you can see the background color is set to black. So I'm going to click on that, and from the color swatch or the color selector that appears, I'm going to change the whiteness value, and I'm going to slide that right down to the whitest value. And you can see that the RGB, or the red, green and blue values have been changed to 255. I can choose any color I like from this color swatch here, from this selector area here, but I'm just going to set this to a white value, click OK, and then when if I close down the environment and effects dialog, if I come back to my rendering area here, in fact I can come down to this button here which is available to me, I can hit that render and the scene will re-render, but this time the background has changed from its default black color to a pure white color.